have a Valentine's Day home decor haul for you guys. I picked up a couple of things that I actually did need for the house, but most of it is all Valentine's Day decor. So I'm so excited to show you what I picked up because I've been holding off on using them so I could show you guys. They're super cute things. So if you guys want to see what I picked up, please keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with these kitchen towels. I found these kitchen towels at Walmart and I thought they were so cute. I love pink, so I got this kitchen towel at Walmart. I'm not sure the price, but they weren't expensive at all. So I got this cute watermelon one that says "You're one in a melon." Another kitchen towel, and this one's white with all the different colored hearts. This all pink kitchen towel. I really love this one. I mean, they're all my favorite ones because I got all three obviously, but I like this one. I love it because it has like just the hearts and it's like more of a towel. Actually, the towel material that I really like. So yeah, that's why I picked all these up. They're pink, they're cute, and I love them. Also from Walmart, I picked up this beautiful sign. I saw this and luckily there was only one sign left. So I'm still keeping an eye out for more. So cheap, guys. This was $3.44 at Walmart. Also guys, from Walmart I picked up these really cute large hearts. They are so pretty. I fell in love with them when I first saw them, so I got two of these. I'm gonna put these outside my door, and these were $5.92 each. Also guys, from Walmart I picked up two other wreaths, and I saw these and these were so cute and they're cheap again. They're $3.44 each, and I'm gonna probably put this one on my pantry door. I never put things on there, but I'm gonna start to put like something cute so the kitchen won't look so plain. And the other one's probably gonna go on my guest bathroom door because I love the pattern of it. They're all hearts and they have a blush pink and the gold, so this will go perfect with the rest of the Valentine's Day decor. So again, these are $3.44 each at Walmart. So the last thing I picked up from Walmart is this really pretty water jug. This is from the brand named Tao, and this was $14.98, and this carries like around 40 ounces of water or hot tea or coffee, whatever you guys want to use it for. And it says here cold for 24 hours with ice, or hot for 8 hours. So we'll see how this does. I usually put either coffee in here or I put ice water. So this is the last thing I picked up from Walmart. Okay guys, next I'm gonna go in with Target. I absolutely love Target. Target's like probably my number one that I go and check first for any decorations, and then I go check Walmart. But I didn't pick up a lot of things, and there wasn't a lot of things that I saw there that really caught my attention. Let's start off with this really cute picture frame, which I'm probably gonna go for more. This picture frame is so pretty. I love it because it has like a blended of marble, a pink marble and gold foil. I'll probably go pick up another one of these whenever I get the chance, but I just got one to see how it was gonna look, but I love it. So again, this was at Target for $3. Okay guys, so also from Target I picked up this really cute pink wooden heart. I love it. This is so cute. This was $3 from the Target dollar section, and I love all the different shades of pink. I also got this really cute ring holder. This was only $1, and I bought two of these. One is going to go in my bathroom, the other one's going to go in the kitchen, which is usually where I take off my ring. But I thought this was so cute to have. I also picked these cute coffee cups up from the dollar section at Target, and I absolutely love these. I got two of these because I'm always on the go. If I don't have my Starbucks with me, I brewed a cup of coffee here at my house, so these come in handy for me. It's like the pink, I love just like the light pink heart. It's so pretty. So I picked me up two of these from Target. Oh, and the price were $3. I found this really cute XOXO wooden frame, and this was $9. I got this at HEB, which is my local grocery store, along with this other picture frame. I love it. I'll probably put this one on my mantle, and this was also $9 at my local grocery store. So my husband got me this really cute Starbucks cup. This is $16.95, and this is probably one of my Valentine's Day gifts. So he knows I love the collections from Starbucks. They come out with really cute designs every year, so I really love this one that he picked out for me. I don't know if they have pink. If they do have pink, I'll go look, but this one is really cute. I love it. So this was $16.95. I picked this up at Big Lots, which they really have cute things there too. Like for Easter, they have really cute like wreaths and stuff like that. But this one was, I want to say $12 or $20. Like when you go to a bathroom, like nobody changes the roll like when it's empty, right? So I got this really cute sign to put in the bathroom that says changing the roll won't kill ya, pinky promise. And then I also picked up this smaller one that says sprinkles are for cupcakes, not toilets. And I thought this was a cute sign to put in the guest bathroom as well. And the price for this is also $5. So thought these were super cute signs. I found the perfect type of like mail holder and key holder for our home, and this is the one that I found, and I think this was really cute. You could put the mail in here, you can hang up some sunglasses, you can hang up your keys. So yeah, so this was $12.99 at Ross. I also picked up this really pretty picture frame. My living room is really bare, so I thought why not add something to give it more, like make it look more homey. This would look really pretty. I love the colors and everything. So yeah, so this was $11.99 at Ross. So yeah, this is how it looked. Okay, so I also forgot to mention this. This is a really cute lamp that I found at Walmart, and this was $20. It has that copper finish, and this is gonna go on my desk along with my desk organizers. So I had found these first, and then when I saw the lamps at Walmart the other day, I'm like, oh my gosh, these are gonna go perfect on my desk. So this, like, they matched perfectly without even looking. Okay guys, so that is all the things I picked up from all these different stores. I hope you guys liked what I picked up, so finally I could put them in good use and start decorating for Valentine's Day and decorating for my home. I wanted to show you guys everything, so if you guys get inspired to go pick something up that I have, please let me know. Or if you guys see something that maybe I could find here, that would be awesome. If you guys don't have me on social media, I'll leave all my social media down in the description box, so please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys don't have that little bell notification, please turn that on. That will notify you every time I upload a video. Also guys, please let me know what you guys want to watch. If you guys want to see something different, like a desk tour next or something, like with my lamps and everything all organized and all that stuff. I mean, I'm planning on making that video, but I don't know if you guys want to watch it or not. But let me know if you guys do want to watch it by giving this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, so until my next video guys, I send all my love and all my kisses. Mwah. Bye. Cheers to that. Cheers to that.